Okay, so this is a nice Power Macintosh G3, 266 megahertz that I just finished restoring. I did a fresh install of macOS 8.5. We took this all apart, cleaned the inside, lubricated the floppy drive, cleaned the heads. You can see, put a disk in here. That works well. Jack's good and strong. CD tray comes right out nice. Put that in, we'll see shortly that it reads the disk well. Use this drive to do the operating system install. It's not noisy or anything, so that's good. You can see the disk comes right up. Okay, that looks good. I already have a G3 system, same desktop model, so I'm going to be selling this one since I don't need two. I loaded just some basic software on here, macOS 8.51, 96 megs of RAM, so it's got three 32 meg chips in there, which makes this machine nice and speedy. It does have Ethernet that works, so we have it connected to our network, which is what I used here. So I connected to my file share right here, my blue and white G3. To load on some software, we loaded on AppleWorks, so it's got your full kind of works productivity suite. And then we have Fetch. So Fetch is a FTP client. The great thing about this is with this Mac connected up to Ethernet, I can connect to my Windows 10 machine that's hosting these files on FTP, so I can download stuff right off the modern internet and then connect to the FTP server that's running on my new machine, like I just said, and load those files directly onto this Mac. You could also connect to a direct internet FTP website, provided that this computer can handle the security, which it may not be able to for older systems. And then we just loaded a couple of games on here. So we got SimCity 2000. So now you can see my messy room. That brings back some memories. And then we also quit out of here. So we also loaded the Marathon Trilogy. To me, that was one of the really classic games of this era. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the outside of this machine. It cleaned up pretty well. It does have a few scuffs in the plastic, as you can see right there. It's a bit yellowed, but nothing too bad. You can see here in comparison, this monitor is really yellowed. But the system itself looks good. All the ports are in good shape. The power button is still there. I did notice that was super glued where it cracked, which is a pretty common thing with that plastic, but it does appear to be fine now. So there we go. Power Macintosh G3, ready for sale.